Here's a little down home song for you. Shoulder up your gun and whistle up your dog. Shoulder up your gun and whistle up your dog. Off to the woods for to catch a groundhog. Oh, groundhog. Well, here comes Sal with a 10-foot pole. Here comes Sal with a 10-foot pole to twist that whistle pig out of his hole. Oh, groundhog. Groundhog, groundhog. Stay inside and save your hide. Oh, groundhog. Well, here comes Sal with a snicker and a grin. Here comes Sal with a snicker and a grin. The groundhog gravy all over her chin. Oh, groundhog. Now you cut up the meat and you save the hide. You cut up the meat and you save the hide. You make the best shoestring that ever was tied. Oh, groundhog. In the cupboard and the butter's in the churn. The meat's in the cupboard and the butter's in the churn. We're gonna have groundhog, I'll be darned. Oh, groundhog. There's a little piece of cornbread laying on the shelf. A little piece of cornbread laying on the shelf. If you want any more, you can help yourself. Oh, groundhog. So, shoulder up your gun and whistle up your dog. Shoulder up your gun and whistle up your dog. Off to the woods for to get your groundhog. Oh, groundhog. Groundhog. Stay inside and save your hide, oh, groundhog. Hang on.